Hello everyone, welcome to YellowGreys. In this video, I will show you how to install UiPath new installer. UiPath team come up with a new installer for the UiPath Studio, Robot and Assistant. Go to your browser and go to your cloud orchestrator platform. Then log in into your Google account with your already registered account. If you are a new or not registered yet, please watch UiPath Studio install the full tutorial. I have given the link in the description below. Once your orchestrator page is loaded, click on download UiPath Studio. It's getting downloading now. It will take some time to download. Please wait until. The package for UiPath Studio has been downloaded. Let's open the package. You will get this quick option installation window. Choose the right one as per your requirement. If you are a new learner, select quick recommended for community users, or if you want to use enterprise edition, choose custom recommended for enterprise advanced users. Using this enterprise edition option, you can install the robot in service mode and take full advantage of the attended robots full functionality on your license. I will choose the community edition, then accept the terms and condition and click on install. The UiPath Studio is currently being installed. Make sure that close all your browser while you install your studio. Now turn on the UiPath extension on your browser to interact with web application. The studio is installed now. We have two options here. Click on UiPath Studio. It's getting ready now. Yes, our new studio has been installed with assistance. Start your new process by clicking process options. Happy automation. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and support. Connect with us for more tutorials.